Warriors, it's going to be a feeding frenzy for hoovering, because the only way many people who have damaged their own reputations in lieu of gains, the only way they can hide from society is to fall up under someone else's success. Hide in obscurity under someone else's clout. I've always told y'all, none of them would make a pimple on your ass on a good day. And I'm going to constantly remind you, you play with fire, you're going to get burned. You go back revisiting old stomping grounds for validation, may be your last visit. See, these folks think you're rubbing your success in their nose. You acting like you